Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the suspension spring in your LG washer, you will need the drill driver with a Phillips bit or Phillips screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the washer. Pull the washer away from the wall. Unthread the 2 screws on the top panel. Slide and lift the top panel off. Loosen the clamp and remove the bellow from the housing. Lift the spring and remove the spring holder out of its socket. Remove the spring holder. Lift the spring and detach it from the tub and the frame. To install the new suspension spring, lightly grease both ends of the spring. Attach the spring to the tub, then mount it to the washer. Attach the spring holder to the spring. Now lift the spring to mount the holder. Install the bellow to the assembly and tighten the clamp. Set and slide the top panel onto the washer. Rethread the 2 screws onto the panel. Push the washer back into place. Plug in the power. And your washer should be ready for use.